What would it feel like if you had to carry around a 60-pound sack of flour hour after hour? But did you know that sometimes that's exactly what we're asking our neck and shoulders to do? Let me explain. When you're sitting in your neutral posture, your head weighs about 10 pounds. But think for a minute about when you're on your phone. Did you know that when your head is bent over to its fullest degree, you're asking your neck to hold 60 pounds of weight? Well, no worries, because in this series of Take 5 yoga episodes, we're going to work on lengthening and strengthening the neck and the shoulders and the upper back. So come on, let's get started.